My internship at Dilmah was a transformative journey into the world of ethical trade and global marketing. It was a remarkable blend of professional growth and personal enrichment.
Through the internship, I gained a comprehensive experience, which I will remember for the rest of my life. I developed in just about every professional skill there is and had the opportunity to work with a range of people of different backgrounds, cultures and religions. The team assigned me with engaging work which aligned with my interests, and I was able to learn and provide useful insights into a lot of different aspects of Dilmah's ESG reporting and initiatives. In the field, I had the opportunity to visit some of the most beautiful untouched environments and rural regions. I explored the forest conservation project in Ndana, the Climate Research Change Centre in Nawalapitia, and the two MJF charitable foundations.